Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, exercising, eating your protein, and taking your daily supplements, but your muscles still don't seem to grow stronger? You are not alone. I'm Dr. Jackson Lee, and after 25 years of helping people fight age-related muscle loss, I've seen this same struggle over and over. People work hard during the day, but they miss the most powerful window for muscle repair: nighttime. Here's the truth: about 70% of your muscle growth and repair happens while you sleep. Yet most people unknowingly block this natural process by missing the right vitamins or by taking the wrong ones at night. So, today, I'll share 2 powerful vitamins that help you build muscle while you sleep, and 3 supplements you should never take in the evening because they quietly sabotage your progress. If you've ever felt frustrated doing everything right, but seeing little change, just type yes in the comments below. It helps others know they're not alone. Alright, let's dive in. First up, the sunshine vitamin that actually works its magic at night: vitamin D3. Most people know vitamin D as the sunshine vitamin, good for bones, right? That's true, but it's also absolutely essential for muscle growth, especially while you're asleep. When you take vitamin D3 with your evening meal, it acts like a switch that turns on special receptors inside your muscles. Think of these as little doors that allow calcium and phosphorus, 2 minerals your muscles need to move and grow, to flow in and do their job. But vitamin D3 goes even further. It helps your body release testosterone and growth hormones during deep sleep. These are 2 natural builders that tell your body, hey, use that protein you ate today to build new muscle. Without enough vitamin D3, it's like having a full construction crew on site with no foreman to give orders. All the tools are there, but nobody is working. It also fights the silent enemy of muscle: inflammation. Chronic inflammation slowly eats away at your muscle tissue, but vitamin D3 calms it down, letting your body repair itself much more efficiently. A Harvard study followed older adults for 8 months. Those who took daily vitamin D3 gained nearly 3 pounds of lean muscle, while those who didn't gained less than half a pound. That is a massive difference. So, what should you do? I recommend taking 2,000 to 4,000 U of vitamin D3 with your evening meal. But make sure that meal includes healthy fats, because vitamin D is fat-soluble and needs fat to be absorbed properly. A simple, perfect muscle repair meal could be something like grilled salmon, roasted mushrooms, and a side of mashed sweet potato with a little bit of butter. Add a glass of milk, and you've just created the ideal setup for overnight muscle repair. Now, for our second key player, the master mineral, zinc. If vitamin D3 is opening the door for muscle repair, zinc is the manager who makes sure the whole job gets done right and on time. Zinc is crucial for producing human growth hormone, which your body releases during deep sleep. This hormone is the real magic behind your overnight recovery. Without enough zinc, your growth hormone can't do its job properly, and your repair crew basically goes home early. Studies show that a zinc deficiency can slow muscle repair by up to 60%. That's huge. And here's the shocking part: about 40% of seniors are deficient in zinc. That means even if you're eating plenty of protein, your body can't effectively move those amino acids into your muscle cells. It's like your nutrients are stuck at the post office with no delivery truck in sight. I often hear zinc-deficient patients say, "Doctor, I eat well, but I just keep feeling weaker." The problem isn't their effort, it's the absorption. In one University of Michigan study, seniors who took 20 milligrams of zinc daily saw a 34% boost in muscle protein synthesis. That means their bodies became 1/3 more efficient at turning the food they ate into actual muscle. To make this work for you, take 15 to 30 milligrams of zinc about 2 hours before you go to bed, just with some water. That timing allows your zinc levels to peak just as your growth hormone starts to rise during sleep, creating the perfect storm for muscle building. If this information about zinc surprised you, type zinc in the comments, You might just help someone else discover what they've been missing. Okay, now let's talk about the nighttime saboteurs. These are 3 common supplements that people think are helping them, but they actually block muscle repair when you take them at night. First on the list, B-complex vitamins. B vitamins are fantastic for energy and focus, but that's exactly why they're terrible to take at night. They stimulate your nervous system, can raise your heart rate, and make it much harder to fall into that deep, restorative sleep, the very phase where growth hormone does its most important work. If you're currently taking B vitamins with dinner, simply move them to breakfast. I had a patient, Brenda, an 87-year-old woman, who made this simple switch. Within just 1 week, she reported sleeping deeper, and within 3 weeks, she had gained back 2 pounds of lean muscle, a small change with incredible results. Next up, vitamin C now. Vitamin C is wonderful, but not before bed. Here's why. Your muscles need a little bit of stress from your day to trigger the repair process at night. That mild wear and tear is what tells your body, okay, it's time to rebuild and get stronger. When you take a large dose of vitamin C in the evening, it acts as a powerful antioxidant and can actually wipe out that crucial signal. Your muscles never get the message to repair themselves. So, take your vitamin C in the morning instead. I had a patient named Robert, 79, who was taking 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C every single night. He couldn't figure out why he kept getting weaker despite his efforts. Once he moved that dose to his breakfast, both his strength and his sleep quality improved within a matter of weeks. Finally, let's talk about caffeine, the hidden enemy. Most of us know not to drink coffee right before bed, but caffeine is sneaky. It hides in many things you might not expect: dark chocolate, some pain relievers, fat burner supplements, and even certain multivitamins. Even small doses of caffeine in the evening can raise cortisol, your body's stress hormone. And cortisol does the exact opposite of what you want. It breaks down muscle tissue. A 2020 study found that seniors who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more muscle than those who didn't, even when their diets were identical. So, set a simple rule for yourself: no caffeine after lunch. Your muscles will thank you for it. So, to recap, harness the power of your sleep by taking vitamin D3 with a fatty dinner and zinc a couple of hours before bed. And make sure to avoid the nighttime saboteurs: B vitamins, vitamin C, and hidden caffeine in the evening. By making these small adjustments, you can turn your sleep into a powerful muscle-building engine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on how to stay strong and healthy at any age. I'll see you in the next video.